The scissor tool can be used to cut paths at some points. Using the scissor tool, you can also split a path at any anchor point or along any segment. The scissor tool is located here in the toolbar under the group of eraser tool. Now in order to use the scissor tool, first you need to select the object. So using the selection tool or by pressing V to activate it, select this circle and now select the scissor tool. Now if you just click anywhere on this circle, the tool will not work and you will get this error message. So in order to cut a shape, you have to click on its path. So if I click on this anchor point, you will notice the shape has expanded and these direction lines appear. To cut a shape, you have to select at least 2 anchor points. So click again on this anchor point, and now if you select the shape using the selection tool, you will see the shape has been cut. Similarly, you can cut any shape using the scissor tool, like this square and star, by just clicking on the points where you want to make the cut.